Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Download and install ZesleCP on Ubuntu by running the following command. The Zesel installer will be shown as below. Once the installation is complete, you will get the username, root and a temporary password, like this. To access the ZesleCP, you can using the next link to auto-login URL. To activate the ZesleCP, you will need a key that you can get under the ZesleCP control panel on the official website. The link will be in the description. Once you log in it, you can change the user, also you can use the server configuration file, look at the dashboard where there will be information about your server. Also, you can change the PHP modules, account information and more. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.